Want to learn how to use forms to trigger personalized video replies? Stick around for this quick 3-minute tutorial where I'll show you how to do it effectively and easily. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set up forms that instantly trigger personalized video replies, saving you time and making your communication more engaging. You've probably seen personalized video replies, right? They're a great way to connect with your audience or customers, but getting them set up can be tricky. In this video, I'll show you how forms can trigger personalized video responses automatically, making your interactions more personal without any extra work on your part. First, let's talk about the form setup. You'll need a platform or tool that allows you to create custom forms and integrate video responses. This software we'll be using today makes it easy to set up these forms. I'll guide you through the steps to set up your form quickly and connect it with your video response system. To start, create your form. This could be for a lead generation page, customer feedback, or support request. The key is to gather the data that will help you personalize your video reply. Common fields might include name, email, and any other details relevant to your business or service. Keep it simple. Less is more. Once your form is ready, the next step is integration. The form needs to be connected to your personalized video reply software. With the software we're using today, you simply map the fields from your form to dynamic video placeholders. So, when someone submits a form, their data triggers the creation of a custom video response that includes their name and any other personalized info you've set up. Now, how do we get the video reply set up? You'll record a few base videos that are flexible enough to handle various personalized messages. Think of it like a template. For example, you might say, "Hey name, thanks for reaching out." The software we're using today will then replace the placeholder with the actual person's name. The best part, you don't have to do this manually every time. When a form is submitted, the system automatically takes the data and triggers the personalized video reply. No more repetitive work. It's automated, personal, and fast. And here's a pro tip. You can create different video templates for different situations, like one for customer inquiries, another for support, and another for feedback. This way, every reply is relevant and personalized to the context of the user's submission. Now, if you want to follow along with this tutorial and test out the software we're using today, check out the link in the description below. I've partnered with the software to offer an exclusive free trial for my viewers. You can get started today with no strings attached and see how it works for yourself. To wrap things up, here's your key takeaway. Using forms to trigger personalized video replies is a game changer for communication. It automates your process, saves time, and makes every interaction feel more personal and engaging. To do this, simply set up your form, integrate with the video software, and record dynamic templates. Remember, the software we're using today offers an exclusive free trial. Grab it from the description below to try it for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.